welcome back to our video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. There'll actually be 2 videos posted. These are a couple phones I picked up on eBay. And we get some free bubble wrap, which is always handy. Let's see what we got. Alrighty, here we go. Maybe. So here it is. Let's go and take a look. No battery, but it is a Samsung SPH i350, which I think the nickname on this phone is the Intrepid, so it'd be the Samsung Intrepid. It is a touchscreen phone, if I remember right, running Windows Mobile. Yeah, you see the Windows key right here. So there should be a stylus somewhere, I think. Yeah, I'm not too sure, maybe not. But I will go and do a, if I can find a battery, I'll go and do a review on this phone because it's pretty interesting. Pretty sure it's a resistant touchscreen. Not too sure on that, but here's a quick little unboxing for you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.